Hi, today I'm running POCO F5 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the app and drag it to another one, and just by this way we successfully successfully created the new home screen folder. Just to rename it, you should click once on the name and then enter the new one, for example the apps, tap to OK, and that's it. If you want to move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. To remove the application from the folder, hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, hold it and tap the remove icon. Also, you could remove all of the applications with the folder together by pressing hold and just drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.